Welcome to Movies Adda, and this is your Bollywood guide G9 यानी कि दिव्य सोलगामा in conversation with the superstar Salman Khan. Salman, first things first, looking at the promos of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, would you agree to the fact that this movie looks bit simple in comparison to your larger than life type of films?
See, any character who is backed by a good writer, a good director, a good star cast, and a superb backdrop of a film with the background music and that 70 screen, it's automatically going to look larger than life. So when you see somebody on screen, he is going to look larger than life. Now, just because he is a guy from a simple family, simple views, simple thinking, he's a simpleton, you know. बचपन में झूठ नहीं बोलना, you know, all that stuff. That does not mean that he is not large. He is a very large character. Just because he is not fighting for no rhyme or reason, that does not mean he's taking a stand. And when somebody takes a stand, you know, if you've noticed that he's a good man, you know, good man's a fool. होगा ना? अच्छा विचार, the good man, good-hearted man, बेवकूफ विचार. Doesn't it come across the same way? But you have a good man who will not take your bullshit. Once he understands that, कि ये गलत है, then he goes on to that tangent. This is नहीं भाई. And there's nobody more aggressive and dangerous than that man. When he takes up a task, he goes after it. He completes that task. So when you see a good man who's on the right path, who's aggressive, people always try to stop him. They'll always try to cut him off, stop him, you know, keep him busy in something or the other. Why? Because he knows कि ना ये गलत होने देगा, ना खुद गलत करेगा, ना ये गलत करने देगा. Which is the biggest खतरा for corrupt people, for people who are not good people. And then ये इतना करेगा कि हमको जबरदस्ती करना पड़ेगा, तो उसको करने से रोको. These are two types of people, two types of things that people, not good people, do to good people who are aggressive. See, the films that I'm choosing right now and that I have been choosing for the longest time are films that those characters inspire me. That by the time I'm done with that movie, I want to be that guy. You know, even if I can't be 100%, I need to, you know, get something of him in me. You know, and you see all our movies, we deal with emotions. So हमारे movies के अंदर जो हमारे scenes होते हैं, वो हमारे real life के अंदर आ ही जाते हैं. जैसे बिग बॉस के जो सीन्स होते हैं घर के अंदर, रिएक्शंस होते हैं, झगड़े होते हैं, वो हमारे जाती लाइफ के अंदर, रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी के अंदर आ ही जाते हैं. एंड देन यू सी कि यार ये बहुत करेक्ट रिएक्ट किया. अब वो स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है. सो व्हेन समबडी रिएक्ट्स व्हेन इट्स नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड, दैट मींस इट्स हिज पर्सनैलिटी. कि यार ये बहुत करेक्ट स्टैंड लिया लड़के ने या लड़की ने, यू नो. व्हेन इट हैपेंड विथ मी, आई टुक अ रॉन्ग स्टैंड. आई शुड डन दिस. बट यहाँ पर मूवीज के अंदर इट्स रिटन, सो इट्स परफेक्टली रिटन कि इसने ये बोला, इसका जवाब हम मार-धार से नहीं देंगे, इसका जवाब हम मोहब्बत से देंगे. हाँ, अगर रियल लाइफ के अंदर सेम सिचुएशन आता है, अगर आपने उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर ली उस वक्त, सो व्हेनेवर आई एम डूइंग अ फिल्म, आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर समबडी. किक में भी है मेरे बच्चों के लिए, ये इसको घर छोड़ना है, सो इट इज वांटेड में फॉर द फादर, यू नो. सो द एक्शन इज नॉट मीनिंगलेस, इट इज देयर फॉर a reason. It's there. It's backed with emotion. Until the time your films are backed with emotion, I don't think anyone can touch you. So, what I'm doing right now is the movies that I want to make is when I come out of the movie, I want to be a better person. So, if I can be a better person, so can you?
Salman, kindly walk us through the plotline of your film Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Your fans would love to know about it in your words.
The plot is so amazing. जब कहानी हमको सुनाई थी कि एक इतने ही, you know what we, एक लड़की है, घूमी हुई है, पता चलता है कि ये पाकिस्तान की है, पहले पता चलता है कि मुसलमान है, उसके बाद पता चलता है कि पाकिस्तान की है. झटके में झटका. एंड देन ही सेज दैट नो मैटर व्हाट हैपेंस, आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉप दिस गर्ल होम. मरता मर जाऊंगा, इस लड़की को तो मैं घर छोड़कर अपने माँ बाप के पास. एंड हाउ ही लीव्स द कंट्री, एंड हाउ ही गोस, एंड हाउ ही इज हेल्प्ड, and how eventually he manages to find what he needs. He's a simple man, but simple man को एक ही चीज खटक गई कि यार ये गड़बड़ है, इसको मैं यहाँ से जाने दूंगा तो ये गारंटी नहीं कि ये she will reach home. I need to take this responsibility myself. I cannot trust anybody with this kid. I have to take a backup. I mean, इससे noble plot और कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Salman, we have seen actors right from Raj Kapoor, Devanand to many of today's actors turning producer for various reasons. Many of them do it to cash in over their box office image or enhance their sinking career, which is not required in your case. So what inspired you to start up your own production house?
See, as it is, I have a home production.
Yeah.
There's Arbazes, there's Sohails, and there is Babies, Alvin Batuls. But we just wanted, we started with Being Human. Now we wanted SKB. So we just had this and we thought this is the right film to start up. But the next one is coming, Suraj's film. So when you have your own home production, you can take your own decisions that I have been launched by Suraj, Barjati. I am launching a Suraj, actually. So after Suraj has launched me when he himself was trying to get work, yeah? And Rashi goes down and out. I mean, to take somebody who's already done a movie, it's phenomenal. Today you're in a position and you can launch, people that you think who will make your head turn around. People from the industry, from outside the industry. Like after this, I'm launching a book who's got nothing to do with the industry. From outside. Just to give it back. That's what I want to do. So I need to start one film here. And if this film does well, inshallah, we'll be in a row. It may turn out right, it may turn out wrong. But the only reason for you to do a movie or produce a movie or be a part of a movie is not that we're going to have fun on the set. He's a friend of mine. I got dates, yeah. These dates are going waste and, if you calculate your per day, there's all the wrong reasons. You need to do a film because you think that when the film releases, it's going to be the best film ever. It works out, it doesn't work. That is only when the Friday comes over, the day when the film releases. Today we're promoting the film Bajrangi Bhaijaan. We think it's the most incredible film. We'll see the result on the 17th.
Salman, you are one of the biggest superstar from our country. Do you feel your fans and stardom can make any film of yours run at the box office?
We can't say that. Like Sholay. Sholay was supposed to be, when they were making the film, they knew the film was like the biggest success ever. It would be like a blockbuster. Sholay was a disaster for 2 weeks, man. Andaz Apna Apna, we thought it was going to be like a block, like saying, hello brother. The amount of trials we had, and for Andaza, both of them didn't do it. Andaz Apna to Friday, Saturday, Sunday was out. And it's a cult. Today, Hello Brothers watched on TV, people will keep on laughing and say, what a funny film, yeah. So you can't tell.
Salman, you will be touching the Golden Jubilee year this year. So do you feel the age or still feel young as a kid?
बच्चा बाहर आ गया तो अंदर बुला तो बच्चे को अंदर ही रहना चाहिए. I think that the enthusiasm, the eagerness to learn, the eagerness to be there, what keeps you young and fit. As soon as you are tired, uninterested, unenthusiastic, say that old man sets in. Why should you let the old man set in? I think there's no reason for the old man to set in. Why to leave in one pore open for that? It's over. Hey, yaar, done with. No, man. Or you feel the pain. You feel that bodily pain. You feel that mental pain. But then suddenly you just hurt. You can kick him out. That's the only way I think that it... and you be clean, yeah. You be clean, you be honest. Whatever it is, just be yourself. And eventually you're all going to die. You'd rather, be cool and die a man than to be living in, being, not a man and uncool.
Salman, with so much success and love of your fans, does these stuffs make you overconfident in life? If yes, then kindly share with us about it.
पिटते हैं उसके अंदर. कुछ हुआ जब भी किसी के पास हंसा हो मेरे साथ हुआ. Instant payback. Whenever I've laughed at anything, it's next day it's happening. I know next day is happening to me. And whenever I said this, not chance. This is something I'm never going to do. How can they do it, man? I'm never going to do this. Next day it's happened to me. Next day I'm doing it, and the reason is justified. That is when you understand कि emotion क्या है. जिसका emotion सरस है, जिसका emotion हावी है, वो correct है. Like I was passing through Danda, and I saw these 8-10 people beating this one guy up. And this is a scene that I wanted to put in Dabang also. And so I passed by first. I guess I'm bitter, I couldn't take it. So me and my friend Mads were there. So I said they were like really beating them and with weapons and all. So I stopped the car. I took it back. One guy getting beaten. So after they saw me, they stopped. So one guy said, "Chalo, chalo." I said, "Kya chalo?" I got out of the car. I said, "Kya mara ek aadmi ko?" Then this हमारे gang का ही था यार. So मेरी बहन का rape. By that time, I was protecting this guy, and my hand was around him. And I swore on God, I wanted to squeeze him to death myself. So the man that I went for कि क्या मत मारो बेचारे को 10 आदमी एक आदमी को मारे क्या करो. And he came to me like, And धीरे धीरे I thought you understand ये क्या हुआ? Like this one guy, we gave him crutches. This signal here, that mind calls a signal. I saw him with a crutch whacking a girl. तो कौन सा दूंगा सर तेरे को एक क्रच क्या बच्ची को मारने के लिए दिया है? तो के मारा ऐसे बाबा ये तो मुझे बाबा मार लेना मेरे को पहले सुनो तो सही क्या है. ये गाड़ी के पीछे भागती है, वो कांच के ऊपर लटक जाती है, आज गिर गया, इसका पैर चला जाता है गाड़ी के नीचे, तो सीन ही उल्टा घुमा दिया. इंस्टेंट पे बैक.
Salman, you recently said that Sultan will be the toughest film of yours. So kindly let us know the preparations you are doing for playing a Haryanvi wrestler in this film.
I say these things so that my competitors feel so the preparation is right now I'm training. Because of that, mess my back up, mess my shoulder up. But that'll all go. That's all muscular stuff. And that's it. That's it right now. The rest of the stuff will come on the set. Will come. हाँ क्या dialogue है? अच्छा taking. कितना है इसका? ऐसा बात है? Taking sir. एक rehearsal क्या take करूँ मैं? That is my preparation for my movies. I'm not doing any, like दबंग के अंदर मूछे लगा ली. प्रियतम भाई के अंदर. In this film also is दाढ़ी लगा ली, दाढ़ी पूरा ये तो यहाँ पे स्क्रैचिंग थिंग हो रहा है. बट द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग इज टू हैव दैट इनोसेंस दैट ओवर द इयर्स वन हैज लॉस्ट. सो टिल द टाइम यू डोंट फील द कैरेक्टर, यू शुड नेवर डू द कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज ओनली इफ यू कैन फील द कैरेक्टर, यू लुक द कैरेक्टर, यू वॉक द कैरेक्टर, एंड यू टॉक द कैरेक्टर. अदरवाइज बर्जीगिरी.
Salman, as per you, who is Salman Khan's biggest competitor?
See, like my father says, गब्बर का कोई मार सके तो गब्बर खुद. So I'm not competing with anyone. I am just competing with me, myself. That one person who doesn't like me, but he should eventually, he has to take over घुटने से, माफ कर दे, मैं sorry यार, लेकिन तू अच्छा काम कर रहा है, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है. That's one person he's got to convert. And the guy who's already a fan, he should say, take him to the next level. And it's difficult because first we were competing with our seniors. Today, it is more difficult competing with the juniors. Most of you growing to, you thought it's the most difficult thing. How can you compete with them? And dhire you come to the senior position. Dhire means that fat se. And now you're competing with the junior. Now you get to know how they must have felt. Kya sale idhar se udhar jump mare, action kare, laat mare, ghum ke. We're doing fine.
Salman, next Eid we'll see a clash of two big films. Your film Sultan versus Shah Rukh Khan's Raees. So as per you, which film will suffer? Will this decision work in favor of the fans?
Shah Rukh has got nothing to worry about because I have come up with two films with Shah Rukh and both Shah Rukhs have done well, mine have not done well. So it's got nothing to worry about at all. Anyway, there's so much of there's so many fans and there's so much of business and theaters it's good. इसमें theaters भी increase हो रहे हैं. We need theaters, we need prints. अगर ये दो फिल्म आ रहे हैं, ये दो फिल्म को अकोमोडेट करने के लिए 2-3 हजार थिएटर्स और खुल जाते हैं, nothing like it, yeah.
Salman, as per you, who among today's younger actors have the ability to become next Salman Khan?
I think because they've also grown up on us, so each one has lots of shades of all of us. So they have a lot of shades of. You can tell कि किस राह पे जा रहे हैं. I think Varun Dhawan, because Varun Dhawan he's grown up, and I think Tiger is very talented. I think Suraj is going to come now. When Suraj comes, he comes straight into my slot. The way he is, that young man, straight into my slot. Then, of course, new boys with I think Sid is doing really well right now. Aditya is there.
Salman, your fans feel a personal connection with you when they call you Bhai or Bhaijan. So how do you feel when they address you with such respect and love?
The Bhai started from Sohail, straight up. And then after that, I think as soon as the levels started increasing, they started calling you Bhai. But the younger generation, the kids, they call me Salman. They call me Salman Khan.
Yes.
They don't call me Bhai. It is the older generation. So, तुम लोग को भाई को बुला रहा है. Who was like, but Bhai was in a very negative connotation earlier. That Bhai means older brother. Somebody that you can look up to, somebody's going to protect you, somebody's going to show you the right path. So if I can stand up to that, there will be nothing better than that. My sister's Balveer has told me that if you don't eventually stand up to the respect that your fans have given you, they call you Sallu Bhai, they call you Salman Bhai, they call you Bhaijan. If you don't stand up to this to your fans as Salman Bhai, to the word Bhai, I will disown you as a brother. And that is my only goal right now, to see that my sister doesn't disown me.
Salman, you are one of the biggest superstars from our country. Do you feel your fans and stardom can make any film of yours run at the box office?
You see people who have now made it, it's very difficult to survive. Then they use stuff ke, nahi, you know how it works now. You know, they have a, you know, somebody, family, mein hai, ya boyfriend, you know, all that. Hum to, you know, koi bhi nahi hai hamara, koi, क्या बोलते हैं, कोई सपोर्ट नहीं है, गॉडफादर नहीं है हमारा. हमारा कौन सा गॉडफादर था यार? शाहरुख खान का कौन सा गॉडफादर था? आमिर खान का कौन सा गॉडफादर? अक्षय कुमार का कौन सा गॉडफादर था? अजय देवगन is a fight master's son, I'm a writer's son. शाहिद कपूर is a character actor's son. Big star sons are not worked out. So ये किसी की जागीर नहीं है. You, the fans will decide whether they buy the ticket or not. And it's difficult for everyone. It's difficult for us to be here where we are. It was difficult for us to come into the industry, and it's going to be difficult for everyone. And the more difficult it gets, the better it is for us. At least, you know, we will improve our quality. We will take our cinema high. We will take our quality high.
Salman, it's said that Dabangg 3 will be a prequel to your earlier Dabangg films. How true is that?
That is my thought of it. Arbaz and me are still talking about this. I mean, Diwali now is Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, Eid is Sultan. And after that, I think simultaneously Atuls and Arbaz.
Salman, Bajrangi Bhaijaan also deals with Hindu-Muslim issue. Do you think these issues will dilute the fun impact of the film or might create controversies?
I mean, I don't believe in this Hindu-Muslim and all that stuff. Yeah. I mean, I think that a good guy is a good guy and a bad guy is a bad guy. That does not matter, you know, where or what caste, creed, or where he's from. I believe in that, and I think that everyone out here believes in the same thing, and everyone knows that it is not okay not to like people. You may not like people because he's not a nice person, he's not been nice to me, that's fine. Look at this film industry. It's the hugest example of how people are. You don't ask it, Uttar kya hai tumhara? You don't ask it. You're more than welcome. You don't ask what religion, what caste are you from. You don't ask what background are you from. People accept you, do good work on screen, people like you. Sunny Leone came into Big Boss, she was loved in Big Boss, she was better than everyone else. Today she's the big star in movies. Mumtaz is a junior artist dancer, she became a big star. People have come from farmland, people have come from where all, yeah. You're good on screen, you're there. No one's asked, kaun ho tum yaar.
Lastly, kindly let us know about your upcoming films, and will Atul Agnihotre's next film be Bodyguard 2?
No, it's not Bodyguard 2. We just finalized the script. I think it's beautiful. It is on par with these two movies as far as the emotional content is there. And obviously, I'm not going to do any film which doesn't have your normal, music and your comedy and emotion and the romance. There's no. That's our format. And I think we're the best industry ever because we can dip in and dip out. We can go into comedy, action, romance, change the genre completely. We can do anything with our movies, and we as an audience are trained to be a part of that. अगर हमको एक straight line देंगे तो बोलेंगे क्या है boring है ये. Like the way we do the American Hollywood movies, they have one straight line. If the day we start making movies like that, I don't think it'll work. We need the music, we need the romance, and yet we need good versus bad. And we need the triumph of that good over the bad. You can have that, the good also slightly grey, like Dabangg is grey only, but he's a good man,
Yes.